Let's dive into the world of data visualization and see how Tableau can transform your raw data into captivating visual stories. First, you'll need to connect to your data source. Tableau supports a wide array of sources, from spreadsheets and databases to cloud services. Click on the Connect option and select the type of data source you want to use. Then, follow the prompts to establish the connection, which is usually as simple as selecting a file or providing login credentials. Once connected, the data fields will appear in the Fields panel. This panel is your library, containing all the variables in your dataset. You can drag and drop these fields onto the columns and rows shelves to start building your visualizations. Tableau's easy drag-and-drop interface is one of its biggest strengths. Now, watch the magic happen. Drag a dimension, like region or category, to the column shelf, and a measure, like sales or profit, to the rows shelf. Tableau automatically generates a basic chart, like a bar chart. You can then customize the chart's appearance. Explore different chart types by clicking the Show Me tab or by changing the mark type in the Marks card. Experiment with various chart types like line charts, pie charts, and scatter plots. You can further enhance your visualizations by adding labels, formatting the axes, and customizing the colors to highlight key insights. Tableau isn't just about single charts. It's about creating interactive dashboards. Combine multiple visualizations on a single dashboard. They'll all be interconnected at filters, so users can easily drill down into the data and explore specific aspects of the information. Tableau empowers you to tell compelling data stories that drive informed decisions. By mastering these basic steps, you can unlock the power of data visualization and cultivate a data-driven culture within your organization.